Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 if version 25H2 is not installing, or fix your Windows 11 if you can't update to version 25H2. Right, so first up, what you can do here is just close the Windows Update section, and then go ahead over to your search bar and type down CMD, just like so. And then once done, click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, as there will be a pop-up. And in here, go ahead and type down sfc /scan now. All right, again, sfc /scan now, and then just hit on enter. This process right here will take some time, as it says here, okay? So once this goes 100%, you can now then go ahead and close this one. And then after that, go ahead and find CMD once more, run as administrator. Again, hit on yes, and type down dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Okay, again, once the SFC scan finished the process, okay, you can now go ahead and type down dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. And then once that's done, just hit on enter, and again, just wait for the process to finish. By the way, you're going to want to wait it out until it goes to 100, okay? Once it goes to 100, close this one. Now go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, go back to Windows Updates. Right here, click on it and try to update. Now, if that doesn't work, go ahead over to your search bar and type down Services, just like so. Click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, first up, we have App Readiness right here. Double click on it. Now, General, Startup Type should be Automatic. Once done, hit on Apply, and then hit on Start. Wait for the process to finish, hit on OK. And then after that, we have here Background Intelligent Transfer Service. So double click on it, make sure that this one is under Automatic. Hit on Apply, wait for it, stop it for now, and then hit on Start. Wait for it. Now go ahead and click on OK. And after that, go ahead and find Windows Update right here in the list. All right, there we have it. Double click. Just basically do the same thing. Automatic, stop, apply, start, wait a bit, hit on OK. And then once that's done, go ahead and go back to Windows Update. Right here, just click on it and try to check for updates. Once every update is available, you can now go ahead and click on download and install, and everything should go flawlessly now. Now, if that doesn't work, go ahead and try to pause the updates. Just click on pause right here. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and click on resume updates and just wait for the process to finish. Now, if that doesn't work, go ahead over to advanced options right here. Click on it. Now, go ahead and click on, we have here recovery. Okay, you can go ahead and click on it, and then we have fix problems using Windows Update. So just go ahead and click on reinstall now. Now this will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. Okay, this one will take some time, so just patiently wait. And once that's done, go ahead and go back to Windows Update. All right, and everything should work perfectly fine now. That is it. That is how you fix Windows 11 if you can't update to version 25H2. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.